Story time. The Fox and the Crow. Oh, cheese! Yummy! Good afternoon, Mr. Crow. You are looking bright and handsome today, as I have heard from other birds that you sing very well. Can I have one song from you? As the crow opens his mouth to sing, the piece of cheese falls down. Thank you. That's all I wanted. Goodbye. Moral: beware of flatterers. They are not to be trusted.